Hello, in today's video I'm gonna be cleaning this brewing section on my Philips 1200 espresso machine. This is something that I wanted to clean for a while. I've had this machine for about a year, so let me see what's going on and how we can clean it. Hello. So in today's video I just decided to clean this part of the espresso machine. This is where the coffee is being disposed from, and so I took a couple of those pieces. I'm gonna show you how to clean it, and I haven't even looked what's inside, but I'm really curious, so let's start it. If you watch my previous videos, I show how to do descaling on 1200 and similar Philips espresso machines. Today I've had this machine for probably, I don't know, maybe 6 months or a year, so I'm really curious how to clean this part. This is where the coffee gets dispensed, and after a while I hear that this part gets clogged. But right now let's take a look at this part. So I have already removed those decorative plastic over here. So what it is you have little small tabs. So I took my screwdriver, push it through, and then you basically remove it. So I have this off. So to remove this part, I put my screwdriver here and I pop this off, and now I need to figure out how to remove this part. I guess this is, I just have to probably pull this over. Yes, need to pull this over. Okay, and now I see this part, so I still can't see what's inside. I guess I'll have to pop this part open. Okay, so to get this part out, I'll have my clips like this, and hopefully this will go up. Yes. Okay, so I see a little dirt over here. It's not too bad. All right, so after about 6 months, this is what I have. So this is really not too bad. I've seen like a really huge sludge in this area. This is where the coffee is getting poured into your coffee. So I would suggest probably once a year to go and flush this area so you don't get a really big gunk. I just saw a video also on Instagram when the guy showed that this whole thing was just full of gunk. So this looks pretty good to me. But anyway, I'm going to go and flush it, clean it thoroughly, and once a year, since this is pretty easy access, I'm going to go and clean this area thoroughly. So, well, this area would be nice and clean. Also, maybe another thing to do might be to just dump a little bit of the descaling solution over here, and then go and let the whole thing just sit over here and clean this area. So this is my way of cleaning. Alrighty, so this is the way I'm gonna clean my Philips machine. Thank God I did it pretty soon. So like I said, I think machine, I bought it last year, so it's still in pretty good condition. But if you do that maintenance every year or every maybe 2 years, you're going to have a nice and clean coffee pouring to your drinks without any gunk accumulating, because once this accumulates, then it can cause leaks and clogs. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.